So here's my bag. It's a green Lululemon bag that I bought specifically for this trip. And then the first thing I have in here is my glasses. I have actually used these a lot on this trip. It's very sunny here in Sevilla, and they come really in handy. Next is my phone. I use this to take pictures of all the beautiful places here and to call my parents. Next up, I have my wallet that I use to pay for souvenirs. Next, I have this little hair tie. At the Plaza de España, we did the 4-person bikes, but I was in a 6-person bike. I was wearing a really long skirt, and I had to tie it up with this, so came in handy. I have this pin. I use this mainly for my classes here, writing in my little textbook and stuff. Next, I have my chapstick that I use. My lips get very chapped a lot, so I use this a lot too, especially since it's so hot. Okay, so the next thing I have is my little earphones that I use when I'm calling my parents, when I'm out in public, so that it's just easier. Bye.